Hey everybody, welcome back. This is something different from what we normally do, but I like it so much. I wanted to bring it to your attention because, well, there's a lot of coffee lovers out there. Let's take a look at it real quick. The Neretva, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I tell you what, guys, this thing is outstanding. I bought this with my own money, so that nobody gave it to me. But I just want to bring it to your attention. Maybe I'll show you how it works, and I think you're going to love it. 20 bar professional pressure extracts quality cups of coffee. Stainless steel design, a 1.3 liter removable water tank, a professional frothing milk for cappuccino and latte by Hot Strand Wand, professional tube filter for single and double espresso shots, detachable water tank, and drip tray make easy cleanup. It really does, guys. This had a lot of reviews on Amazon and did a lot of research on it because we're replacing a professional Starbucks one that we had, but I didn't like the size of it and I didn't want to support Starbucks, to be honest with you. Just kidding. You know, and I used to go and get a coffee mocha from Starbucks for like $5 every day. Okay, that I usually have one in the afternoon too. So you're looking at $10 a day that I spent going somewhere else to get it. And with this, I make a better one than they do. Let's take a look, see how it works.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a coffee mocha, just like this right here. Now, it comes with these two cups here that you're going to like if you're going to have a 1 or a 2 cup. As you can see, one's bigger, like this one. And then you have the smaller one. And these are replaceable, and that way you can pull them out to wash and so forth. But yeah, let's go ahead and we'll get some water in it. Real easy to do. You know, setting up your coffee also. And I like this to be a little bit kind of close to in between fine and regular grind. But yeah, you can put that plastic piece on there to make sure nothing comes out of it. And, you know, so it stays a little less messy. Then you go ahead and set it in. Now, if you did a 2 or a 1, you have it up here on the top. That one there in the center is a 2 and the left is a 1. That easy, guys. We picked 2 due to the big cup. But yeah, it comes out really nice. Now this here is where you can have 2 cups on one on each side for a espresso. And you know, it's not really that loud either, by the way. But here you're going to go ahead and turn on and let it heat up for the steam. So you can get your milk ready. It works best with whole milk. And this is where you want to keep that chocolate tasty stuff in there. Now we usually heat this up to about 165, which makes it seem to work the best. So we really like that. So it'll go up to 160. I'm sorry, 160 is what I meant. And then you slowly pour it in, and I like to stir it so you don't have any like push out from the coffee below. And of course, whipped cream. Yeah, it just, this is the way we like it. This is the way Starbucks made it. This just tastes better. And I think you'll probably like it too.
Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Take a look at it if you know, we got a link in the description for you. I just think you'll love it as much as I do. That's why we bring things to you. Hey, I appreciate you being here. And if you have, I'm not trying to get into a war with it, but if you have comments on if you've used one of these or you have something better for a better price, no spamming, please. But yeah, I think you're going to like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Till next time, I'll see you on the next one.